Hello YouTube, it's the Brick Adjuster here with another episode of Playing with Lego. Today we have two special guests. We have
Big T
and
Little Buskus.
Big T and Little Buskus. Today we will be reviewing a Lego Technic set. This is the Desert Racer. It's set number 42027 and it has 149 pieces. So here we go, enjoy!
Whoa! It's backwards. Let's look at the front. So I guess it's pullback monster truck, which looks really awesome. Oh!
It doesn't look like it's a pullback.
Stop it.
The wheels don't pull back.
It's Technic. Whoa!
So here's the main build, the Technic Desert Racer. So this is our first Technic set that we have in our collection. And Big T got this for Christmas. And he built it all by himself too. Pretty good for Technic. So here's a feature, the roof opens up so the guy can go in. And it's actually called a pullback. So if you pull this back, it goes. Little Buskus almost got hit. Let's try that again. Let's pull this back. And there it goes. Okay, Big T's gonna show us another feature. Go ahead, Big T. So there's a hook.
Boop. And then pull back.
Oh, and it drags someone. And here's something neat. If you combine the Desert Racer with this set over here, 42026, you can combine them to make a bigger vehicle, the race truck. However, the instructions are only online. Lego.com/Technic. Big T,
Yeah?
what's your favorite part of the set?
My favorite part of it is how the sand racer, I think that's what it's called. You can pull this and it'll move, and then when you pull it back, it goes fast.
Oh.
And how this can open and this can go forward and back, and this can turn around.
Was this a hard build or an easy build?
Medium.
Medium build?
And how you can hang people from this thing, like this. And they're all like, ah, how did I get here? Help me! Ah!
Little Buskus.
What?
What's your favorite part of the set?
My favorite part of the set is how you could put this. And I like how you could pull the step, then let it go. And also, how does it pull back?
Pretty neat?
Yeah.
So this concludes this episode of Playing with Lego. This is the Brick Adjuster with
Big T!
and signing off. Thanks for watching and we will see you guys in another video.
Boom, boom. Bye!
Bye!